Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to get notes on Messenger app. It's very easy, so let's get started. The first step you have to take is to update your Messenger app. So you just have to head to App Store or Play Store and search for Messenger, then update it. So as you can see right here, I need to update mine, so I'll click on updates just like this. Then it will start updating. So once your app is updated, you have to open the app just like this, and then the next thing you have to do is to click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, and then you see settings icon at the top right corner. Click on that. After that, you're going to see your profile icon at the top and your username, and just below your username you see this leave a note option. Click on that, and then you can now leave a note. You can write something that you want to. For example, I can say so. Once you're done just like this, you can click on share and it will be shared. So now anybody who views your profile on Messenger will be able to see your notes just below your username. So that's how you can do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.